We're out here in Richmond, Texas, right outside of Houston. It's going to be a great chance for you guys to see what a Healthy Air system really is. You've heard us talking about it. It's a single solution, but it's not a single product. And this build today is going to highlight what that really looks like. We're going to be up in an attic here with an install of our Aprilaire ventilating dehumidifier, the E100V and 8190FF. We've got 2 air cleaners going in as well. We're joined today by Majestic Air, and we're in a J. Patrick home. Both are great partners of Aprilaire. We're proud to help them deliver these solutions in the Houston area.
So one of the things that we kind of look at is solving problems for customers. Last year was a bad year for everybody, and it's a big focal point now to make sure that we make the home healthier than it's ever been. People are working from home now. People are always in their house, so we have to be able to tackle this every single day. So from the filtration, from the fresh air that we bring in the home, to taking care of those VOCs, those particulates, the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, everything is such a focal point for us when it comes to indoor air quality. Aprilaire helps us shine in that market.
So there's a lot of challenges down here in Houston. Fresh air ventilation, one, to meet building codes. It's really humid, so bringing in that hot, moist air is not always the best way to do it. It needs to be controlled in some way. So partnering with Christian Majestic, we were able to find a solution where we were bringing in that fresh air through a dehumidifier, which then conditioned that air before it entered the living space. Aprilaire as a company has always offered these great products as an additive. But being that we're in such a humid climate, we've really started to see builders kind of move towards adding these feature products as standard to every one of their builds.
At J. Patrick Homes, we are not a large mass volume builder. We're a family-owned business. We take a lot of pride and quality in the product that we deliver. And our business is built on referrals. We've built whole entire communities off of families buying from us, friends buying from us. We need to have happy homeowners. We need to have happy customers. We don't look at decisions based upon cost and adding cost to the home. We look at the decision and how that benefits our customer. Our philosophy is, if it's the right thing to do, you have to do it. And when it comes to indoor air quality for us, we know it's the right thing to do. It's what our customers want.
So one thing we'd like to highlight in this house is that we've got MERV 11 air cleaner cabinets on both of the systems in this home. And both of those can also be upgraded to a MERV 13 filter, which is what we generally recommend for superior performance. For the price point and what you're doing for the air in the home, there's really no reason not to standardize on, at very least, a MERV 11 filter. The consumer sentiment around healthy air, this desire to have healthy air in our home when we're inside, is not going anywhere. And today's project is a great example. For people that want to live in an environment, they want to know that their home is healthier than the air outside. These are the products that you do that with, and we've got the solutions, tools, videos, literature to continue to support that drive for healthy air.
We believe every homeowner deserves healthy air. We don't like to roll the dice because someone has to live in that home. Their kids live there. Their wives or husbands live there. They host family gatherings there. That is their home. We are confident that bringing healthy air into homes is the right thing to do.